Enough is enough. I can't take this anymore.
What is going on YouTube? This is Paul, the Inventory King, and we are upgrading some filtration on the 220. The current FX5 filters that I have make a ton of noise. Air constantly gets trapped in them. I have tried to fix them with gaskets and valves, and just it does not work, so I figured it's high time for some new filters. Not sure if you guys can hear all this racket, but this is the noise that the FX5s make. It is absolutely crazy. Oh, and my temperature controller. I need to reorganize it down here. But that is what happens constantly. So it's time for some new filters. So I've never actually had an FX6 before. I've actually never had a brand new Fluval before either. My Suns have always been brand new because they're affordable, but all the Fluvals that I've ever had have been used. So this is my first time unboxing one. Typical Fluval stuff. Hardware. And filter. So my plan is I'm going to use the pads that are in the FX5 currently and save these for future maintenance, just because I don't want to get rid of any beneficial bacteria since I'm adding 2 brand new filters. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm sure you can tell that is a massive difference than before. No air is getting trapped in these new FX6s, and it is quiet once again. So yeah guys, I'm really happy that I ended up getting the FX6s installed. It got rid of the problem I was having, which was the FX5s getting air trapped in them constantly. And these FX6s are doing an awesome job. As you can see, the water is looking nice. When I turned on these filters, the water was extremely cloudy, and in a matter of about 6 hours, it is doing an excellent job. So definitely happy with the filters, and definitely happy with the noise not being there anymore. So there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please leave this video a thumbs up, a comment, hit the subscribe button, and stay tanked.